Hello, Tucson Unified Community. Welcome to another wonderful week. We are headed into the rodeo break, so we hope that you take that 4-day weekend, relax, spend time with family and friends, and don't forget that it is still Love of Reading Month here in the Tucson Unified Community, a district-wide celebration of the power and magic of reading and literacy. Today I'm here at Hollinger K-8, one of our proud two-way bilingual programs that we have in the district, and this is just such an amazing community. Beautiful school garden, a wonderful mariachi program, wonderful dual language programming throughout the school, a great community school here in the Tucson Unified Community. Here to tell us a little bit more is its proud principal, Mr. Cameron Taravati.
Bienvenidos a Hollinger. Welcome to Hollinger. We are a very, very proud community and a proud school. We have one of the state's only two-way dual language GATE programs. Please check us out on Facebook by simply typing in @Hollinger K8 to learn more about our community. We have mariachi. We have one of the great maker spaces of TUSD. So please come and check us out.
We hope that you enjoy an absolutely wonderful rodeo break. We're headed into a wonderful part of the spring. And one of the most beautiful parts of the spring is TUSD is going to be opening 2 brand new schools. We're going to be reopening Wakefield Middle School. The legendary Southside Wakefield Knights will be returning to the Tucson Unified Community. The J. Ted Bridges High School. We are excited about this incredible opportunity of the new high school that will be opening up at 36th Street and Keno by the Bridges, specializing in amazing career and technical education programming. We're going to have culinary arts and 3D animation, and we're going to have robotics. It's going to be an absolutely wonderful school, and you'll be able to get your high school credits. For everybody else, enrollment is live and it's open and it's online throughout our district. Go to your favorite school's website, register today. We hope you have an absolutely wonderful week.
Hi, I'm Bianca Lopez, and I love Hollinger for their appreciation of the arts, the mariachi programs, and the art program.
And I love Hollinger because it's such a fun and exciting school, and it's very organized.